What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This week's gonna be a little different. I took a trip to New York, planned on making a fishing video about some ultralight trout fishing out there. The weather didn't work out, so I wasn't able to get that done. So instead today we are going to be going over my new Spyderco Manix 2 pocket knife. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get into the video of the unboxing. This is one of their USA made knives. They also make knives in Japan as well as China. This one was made in Golden. Let's put that over there. Comes with a sticker. It's an info sheet on the steel that is on this knife, which is a Spy 27. It says it was developed in close cooperation with Crucible Industries. This proprietary blade steel is the result of more than a year of exhaustive research and development and is exclusive to Spyderco knives. Then product info and warranty. Just got the Manix 2, the whole family of Manix 2. Let's put that away. Now let's get to what matters. So here we go. The Manix 2 Spy 27 steel. This is, I believe it's pretty corrosion resistant. There you go. Made in Colorado. And so if you don't know this about Spyderco, the grips usually correspond to a certain like steel. You can't get custom blades. Like you can't be like, oh, I want black on this. It only comes with this. And then you'll go to a third party to get some more G10 scales. Opens great. I really like the ball bearing lock. I have a PM2 as well. This just feels really good in my hand. The Manix 2 has a drop point blade with a flat grind. It's 8 inches long with a blade length of 3.37 inches, a cutting edge of 2.88 inches, and a blade thickness of 0.13 inches. This is a G10 handle. It is 0.45 inches thick. It's 4.66 inches in length. It weighs 3 ounces, can be used right or left-handed. It comes in a tip-up position with the quintessential Spyderco thumb hole opener.